Today I'll be partaking in Jill Norwood's Saturday Morning Makes. Today I'm going to be showing you my creation I did with my DIY ornament kit from the Dollar Tree. This kit came with 5 little gingerbreads and I put my spin on it, and so if you're interested in seeing that, please do stay tuned. Welcome everybody. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. So let's jump into the projects that I created for Saturday Morning Makes. Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Jill Norwood. I'm going to list her YouTube channel in the description box down below, so if you're interested in partaking, anyone could partake. You could jump on over and check out her channel, as well as get some more information and joining us here on Saturday Morning Makes. So this is the kit that I used from the Dollar Tree. And the Dollar Tree, these kits are $1.25 each. You get 5 ornaments in each kit. So I pick up another pack. When I went to the Dollar Tree, I only initially picked up 1 pack, and I went back and I got another pack so I could create 5 ornaments with my alternate designs. So they come individually wrapped, so this is nice like this. So if you're working with kids or your friends, you just individually take them off, and each person gets their own little gingerbread kit to put together. And they come with all the little trimmings to make your gingerbread guy. The only thing I don't like on that is they have the writing on the back of this. So to make this individually, I just don't like the writing to the back of this. So I'm going to show you my creation. And these are made out of some kind of felt, I believe it is. So let me show you what I created. So this right here was my first creation. I went ahead and did some stitching on this. And this was handmade stitching. And I used embroidery thread to do the stitching. I tried to do the blanket stitch around the edges to so you'll have a decorative look. I use a cream embroidery thread around the edges. I use white rickrack that I got from Joann Fabrics, and they have the little mini one. I glued those on, and that's represent the icing. I created these candy cane out of polymer clay, and it's several videos on how to create those. So I added a little candy cane. I glued that onto his arm, and I also had some little peppermints. They didn't come out the best, but still they look like peppermints to me, so I went ahead and add those to the tummy area to look like the buttons. And I did some chain stitching here around his mouth, and that's in a red, and I did his cheeks in a satin stitch, and then his nose is like in a satin stitch as well, and that's in red. And I did a satin stitch around his eyes to create that black area, and then I just add some white stitching in the eyes. This is how the back look. So I went ahead and stuffed it with some polyfill that I got from Michael's. You know, I just stitched up to a certain point and just went ahead and stuffed that up. My fingers were able to fit into stuff the little arms and legs. Also, you could use a little wooden stick or something to go ahead and stuff that and close that up. So I created 4 of these little guys, and this is just a nice little gift. You could add this as a tag. If you have grandkids, you could put a little note like first Christmas, second Christmas. This could be a memorable piece that they have and keep throughout their lifetime. Let me just show you the little girl that I created to go with him. So this is the little girl here. I just add a little bow right here to her headband area. And then the eyes, I kind of give her some little eyelashes that I try to mimic there. And now the difference that I did some running stitches here along the mouth. I think that looks so much better. I think my first one, he looked more clownish. So I took a pencil and I kind of trace out the face. And his lips are a little bit crooked here. But with her, I just decided to do more of a chain stitch. And I put some X along the cheek in red. Made her nose more like a little button circular look. To make it look a little feminine, I did do the same little stitching for the black and add the little whites for the eyes. And then I add one of the candy canes to her. So that is those, and then I have two more to share with you. Now for this one here, this is a boy one, and I used the little pom-poms. And then I had some lollipops that I created here with the, this is the polymer clay. And I just cut the Q-tips end off and add this little stick to that, so it could look like a lollipop. And also I was trying to make the candy cane out of the pipe cleaners. And I didn't too much like how that looked, but you know, you could use that. It didn't look too bad, but I prefer the candy look. All right, the clay look, it looks more realistic, like they're holding the candy there. So that's different there, what I do with him. I did the cheeks in that X look, and I saw like gingerbread faces on Pinterest, so I like that X look, so I created that look. And this is how he looks to the back right there too as well. And then also the girl to this particular one here, I did her with, I added some white pom-poms to her instead of the red pom-poms. And I also add a lollipop there. I wanted to add a ribbon right here so I could not see the little glue right there. You could see the hot glue right there a little bit. So I didn't have like, actually I didn't want to add too much red. I was saying a nice pink small little ribbon would look good, but I don't think I had anything pink to add to that. So, and this is how they look in the back. And what you also could do, add to these, is a little tags. These would look so good on your gift packages. And so it would be nice to add a little tag with some greenery in the back. I think it needs a little greenery to make it pop. And you add a little tag like that. Doesn't that look good? And then I had created some tag on one of my previous videos from Stamping Up subscription, monthly subscription kit, and they had some little tags. It was a tag kit. So I created these. I add my spin on this. This one have a little ginger on this. So if you could add this to that little tag and put it on your gift, I think that would just make that look so cute. And that's like a little keepsake that they could keep. And let's add this one here. Let's put this one here to this. And that's another little tag that you could add to your little gingerbreads. And like I said, some green in the back would look good. You could add that one. Let me just hold that up so you could see. Or you could get more whimsical. Here, this one have a candy cane on there. Maybe that may be too much. She has a lollipop. She has a lollipop in her hand plus a candy cane. But you get the idea. Just adding a little tag to the back of that, to and from putting this on your gift package, that would be a nice presentation. Again, this would be nice if you have 4 grandkids. Each could have one for whichever Christmas it is for them. Something memorable that they'll have from you that you created. And let's hold this one up here. If you guys are new to my channel and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. And then if you did something like this one, you'll have this with the tag coming out to the back. And this is a nice little tag too. They have the little stripes that looks like peppermint. You could also add that to it. That would be a nice presentation too as well. So that is my share with you guys today. I hope you enjoy this. So if you guys got creative values from today's video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you on my next video.